So the conservation of the Kuranda tree frog in this area is quite difficult, but there are some elements which also make it a lot easier. The rural residential component means that people have particularly come to this area because of its rainforested nature and are quite environmentally minded and conservation minded, and so they've tended to reforest what were open paddocks and basic farmland that was in the past had been dairying or coffee or just cattle grazing properties. They have reforested those properties, and so it means that we do have some reasonable buffers along the creeks. So that makes it easy. What makes it difficult is that whatever happens in the catchment above the creeks where these frogs are found will possibly produce a problem down in the lower part. So the biggest issue that we've got is changes in the forestation of the catchment, which may generate sediments. Now the sediments flow down the creeks and they cover up the beautiful shallow breeding riffles that these frogs need. I think it's really important to recognise that the survival of these endangered species, and in fact all species really, or wildlife in general, is going to be down to the communities in which they occur. As we spread out across the landscape, human beings have altered landscapes, altered environments where wildlife occur, and if we are to do anything to halt this and reverse this decline of species across the world, we're going to have to learn to live with the creatures that inhabit the spaces that we start to invade.
The really important thing that everybody should realise is that they can actually get involved with conservation, get out and volunteer on projects where you actually get to see the animals up close and personal, and these are endangered species, so not many people get to do that.